Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a little mini haul. Marc Jacobs had a sale where you would buy one of their powders, which I love, and one of their concealers, which I've always wanted to try, and you were basically getting 50% off. And I took advantage of that, and I picked up Ingenue, which is the lightest shade, and I also picked up Siren, which is the medium shade that I love. And I wanted to show you guys I hit pan, like I'm pretty much out of it, but I'm pretty sure my son put it somewhere and I can't find it. And the concealer I picked up was shade 36, and I also got 40. 36 is just a really pretty yellowy peachy shade, and I have it on today. I like it. I also picked up number 40, which is more of a tan shade. I think that would match my foundation or my face better. I also got the YSL All Hours foundation. I had purchased this before. I had it, and I was wearing BD50, but honestly I felt like the color was just a little flat for me. Like I needed to have a little bit more warmth in it, so I purchased BD55. Guys, this is B55. I thought it was BD55, but it says B55 Toffee. Either way, I love this match way more. I feel like it has enough warmth for my skin, and it's just a little bit darker than BD50. I have to say I really like it. I'm surprised that it's B55, but the reason why I got it was because it had two little sets of the YSL Touche Eclat blur primer, and I do like this primer a lot. It has one with like the silver glitter, and then the other one has the gold, which I think is a little weird, but you don't see it on the skin, and it does blur your face. So I thought it was just a good deal, so I got it. From Sephora, I also got the Sephora Collection Jumbo Cheek and Lip Balms, and I haven't worn the pink yet, but let me show you guys what it looks like. And then this one I've worn, but when I saw them, I'm like, oh yeah, these are totally my colors. I haven't used them on my cheeks, but I have used them on my lips, and they are hydrating. They're comfortable. The only thing I don't like is the size, just how big they are. But it is a nice sheer wash of color, and I do like these kinds of products for like summer or when I want to throw something quick on my lips but don't want it to be like really, you know, huge in color payoff. So I do like them. I got this Milk Makeup Melatonin Lip Mask. It looks like this, and I love the packaging, by the way. The packaging is pretty cool. It has this like plastic stopper, and when I first applied it, I'm like, what the hell does this smell like? I kept thinking it smells like melatonin, but melatonin doesn't smell like anything. It smells like lavender. So it's a nice creamy thin formula. I'm gonna be really honest with you guys, I don't like it as a night treatment. This is advertised as a sleeping mask, but honestly I feel like it doesn't do enough. Like my Laneige sleeping mask is by far my favorite, and I feel like I get really soft results from that, whereas with this, I woke up this morning, I'm like, really bro, I got crusties, really? So I like it for a day lip balm. Like it is very comfortable, it is very hydrating, it feels nice, but I feel like if you're really wanting, you know, intense results or quick results, then you should definitely get something like the Laneige. I would not repurchase this to use as a night treatment. I wouldn't. I mean, the lavender smell too, like if you don't like lavender, you're gonna pick up on the lavender scent. I don't mind lavender, but I just think it's a funny smell to add to a lip treatment, and I understand that it's because it's supposed to be a night treatment, it should be soothing and relaxing, blah blah blah, but I could do without it. You guys will have already seen my Gucci haul, but I did get 4 lipsticks from Gucci. One of them is what I have on, which is They Met in Argentina. I love this color so much. I think it's such a beautiful nude, and it's beautiful. Love, love, love it. I love the packaging on these. I'll show you guys the other shades I got. This is Agatha Orange, which is just a beautiful orange lipstick. It's like a neon orange lipstick. And the other shade I got that is kind of similar is Odalie Red. Let me show you guys. As you guys can see, one is Odalie Red is more red and Agatha Orange is more orange. They are different. I love them so much. They're so beautiful. They're so comfortable. They're matte. They're stunning. The packaging is gorgeous. And then the last shade I got is the Painted Veil, which is just another beigey nude. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I picked them up. The last item I'm going to mention, items I should say, is a nail polish. So I purchased some nail polishes from this brand called Base Coat, and this is Treat Yourself, which is what sparked my interest in this brand. This color is one of my favorite colors. It's just a beautiful neon pink. And then the other color I would say that I absolutely love is Leo, which, as you guys can tell, I have a very special place in my heart for this color. I currently have on Bazooka, which is just a really pretty coral. At first I wasn't sure if I was going to like this because I'm like, it just seems a little bit muted. I like really bright colors or really dark colors. Or if I'm gonna go like soft or nude, it's gonna be like a nude. But I have to say I do like this color. This color I think it's Aster. Yeah, it is Aster. That's what this is called. It's a beautiful lilac color. I just recently took this one off to put this on. And I have Pie, which is a berry shade. I haven't worn this yet. The last thing I got from them is their actual base coat, and this one has garlic in it, which is why I wanted it, because I've tried to make my own garlic base coat and it smells. And in case you're wondering, no, it doesn't smell like garlic. But I do find that these nail polishes wear a really long time. I've had this on for 3 days and I'm on like a cleaning binge. I am constantly cleaning and organizing. It's, I think, what kind of helps me stay sane during this time on top of filming, because this is my break, this is my happy space. But cleaning and organizing has been very cathartic for me also. So I've noticed that this brand of polish will last a solid week, if not a week and a half. Like by a week and once I hit that week, I'm like, oh, I'm ready to change colors, because I am that person that likes to change my nail polish often. But I've been letting this ride out for as long as I can, and a week and a half is as far as it goes. I think that if you're not someone that is like using your hands a lot or like cleaning a lot, then you'll get more wear out of this. But for now, I find that a week and a half for me is as good as it gets, and I think that that's pretty amazing considering that it's not a no chip or a gel formula, but it is a great brand. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you guys are doing well. Please make sure to leave a comment down below letting me know what some of your activities are during this time. What is it that you're doing to just kind of take a breather from being stuck inside all day. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video. I hope that you guys are enjoying my content. I really am working hard at giving you guys a break, because I know we all need it. I am binging on organizational videos. I'm binging on, like, you know, do-it-yourself projects, and also like room makeovers. Let me tell you guys, I am going to start some projects of my own. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.